This 2-bedroom detached bungalow is located in a popular setting within the town of Hinckley on a small private road. The bungalow is set back from the road, with a tarmac driveway to the frontage offering ample off-road parking. Accommodation briefly comprises of an entrance hallway with UPVC door to the front elevation, a lounge with UPVC double glazed patio doors to the rear aspect looking out into the rear gardens, dining kitchen which is fitted with an excellent range of contemporary wall and base level units, tiled splashbacks, an inset stainless steel sink and drainer, and a built-in electric oven and 4-ring gas hob with chimney style hood over, with plumbing for a washing machine and ceramic tiled flooring. There are 2 bedrooms, both with windows to the front elevation, and bedroom 1 has a range of 6 door fitted wardrobes set along one wall. The bathroom is fitted with a modern 3-piece white suite comprising low-level WC, wash hand basin and bath with shower and screening over, with white tiling and splashbacks, a ladder-style heated towel rail, and with both a double glazed skylight window and UPVC double glazed window to the side aspect. The rear gardens offer a paved patio area to the back of the house, leading to a lawned garden with shrub borders enclosed by fencing. Viewing is strongly recommended. For further information or to arrange a viewing, please do not hesitate to contact us.